think I messed up. I just read about a bird that can carry off elephants. This is the Roc, a legendary bird from ancient myths of the Middle East and Asia. With wings powerful enough to create storms and a sharp, forked tongue, the Roc was a creature of awe and terror. Sailors told tales of giant shadows darkening the sky and eggs the size of houses. The Roc was more than just a bird, it was a symbol of unstoppable power. It inspired both fear and admiration. So would you dare face this massive creature? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible legends.